Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Amar Mustaqim bin Asri. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how I would like to modify the tic-tac-toe game. Okay, first, before that, okay, this is my project. Okay, this is my project for programming subject, which is assigned by Dr. Suraya. Okay, so this is the initial coding that being assigned to us, so we need to modify this coding to make it a better program. Okay, so before that, we see what we can modify in this program. Okay, so I will run first. I will execute, compile. So this is the interface, the first interface. Okay, so actually optimize. Okay, then X. Okay, so this is the game, the flow of the game. Okay, so as you can see, it is, for me, it is quite irritating and annoying because we sometimes we need to use the scroll. Okay, we need to scroll down to see the interface, so sometimes it is quite annoying. So I want to modify that aspect. The first thing that I want to modify that. Okay, and then okay, that is the first one. So we try again. In in this program, we can see that it can determine the winner for this game. Okay, so let's try again. Let's try, we try for the draw one. Okay. Okay, even though basically this should be a draw, okay, but still the program do not return, do not state that it is a draw. Okay, so it still can be, it still, the program still want the input, the program still asking for the input. Okay, so if I enter any number, so it will prompt the cell you choose is used, try again. So basically this, the next thing that I want to modify, which is I want to modify the draw error in this code. Okay, the draw error, so we need to check its algorithm. Okay, so that is the next thing that I want to modify. Okay, the next thing is what I want to add in this program is I want to display how many steps that being used. Okay, so we can see that actually there is nine block. Okay, so once the player enter, I want to show that how many the empty places left in this box. Okay, so that is the third thing, and the fourth thing is I want to display in color. So to make it more interesting, I want to display X will represent in blue color, while O will represent in red color. Okay, so let's start it. So the first thing is I want to avoid the screen from going down. So if that, it will make the player, so what is I want to modify is I want to make it is easier for the player. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to add we need to include hashtag include stdlib.h file, header file. Okay. Okay, so let's try. This is it. X. So it is success. The screen does not going down, so it is easier for the player to see the game while enjoy playing the game. Okay, so the next thing I want to modify is the draw error. Okay, we know that in this program it cannot determine the draw. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to modify the code of the draw. Okay, so this is the coding for checking the draw. Okay, actually it is correct. For me it is correct, but I don't know why it still cannot detect the draw. The step that I think that may success to determine a draw is by declaring a variable that will choose whether the step that the input that being placed by the user have exceed 9 or not. Okay, so because it has 9 blocks, so I think it may success. Okay, so what I want to do is I will declare a variable int step equal to 0. So next I will declare step plus plus because it will increment the step. What I want to do here is this step is for the total of block. So if it has reached 9 and still cannot determine the win, so it will determine the draw. So in this one, what I want to do is we should modify this. So the draw for the draw one. So this is positive. This one. If step equals to 9. So once the step have reached 9, so once the step has reached 9 and still the any player do not win the game, so it will prompt this. It will prompt a draw. Okay. So next thing is we should add into this between to determine the game over. So if step equal to 9, so it needs to return true. Okay, so that is for to solve the draw error. Okay, before that I think I should place it at the top of the code. Okay, so next one is I want to display how many steps that being used. Okay, so what I want to do is I declare int count equals to 9. So this will count equal to count minus. Okay, so I will display cout. There are count empty box left. So it will determine how many box that have that been used and that still empty. Okay, so 9. Okay, so the next thing I want to modify is I want to make to display X in the box. I want to display in blue color while O in the box in red color. Okay, so if you want to display the text in color, we need to use Windows command, Windows header file, Windows library. Okay, so we need to input hashtag include windows.h. Okay, so I will modify in the display board. Okay, so about displaying the color, I will refer to my previous project. Okay, so I will open a complete one to refer about the color. Okay, so I will copy it. So this is the complete one. Okay, copy, modify it. So this is it. So I declare int a and b. So int a and b is used for the loop because it is involved to the array. So this will we need to need a nested loop. Okay, so this is the command. This we need to declare handle dot. This is like a variable name, and then we need to include this equation, which is this is the standard command for to get the color. Okay, this is what I have searched through the internet. Okay, so set console attribute G. So 016 is the color code. Okay, if you search through the internet, you can see what is 016 color and what is 011 color and like any other else. Okay, so to make it short, I just copy it. Okay, so let's try to compile and run it. This is what we have done. So X. Okay, so X. This is X, the blue one, and O, the red one. Okay, so it states that how many empty box left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, correct. So it will update the value. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, done. This is what is my goals. Okay, the four goals is, the first one is I want to avoid the screen to go down. Okay, I've settled it. Okay, the second one is I want to modify the draw error. Okay, so the third one is I want to display how many steps that being used, and then I want to display